My name is Prachurya Bharadwaj, and I am a consultant based in the Netherlands. About 14 years ago, I had the opportunity to study and work in South Korea. That experience had a profound impact on both my personal and professional journey. And Korea, to this day, remains a place that holds a special meaning for me until now, until the very last second today. My connection with Korea naturally evolved into a deeper appreciation for the East Asia as a whole. Over the years, I have developed a strong interest in the industrial ecosystems, manufacturing excellence, and technological innovation found across South Korea, Japan, and China. This perspective was further enriched through exposure to industries and supply chains spanning the Middle East and Europe, allowing me to observe firsthand how global manufacturing networks are built, managed, and transformed. For the past 11 years, I have been primarily based in Northern Europe, working with multinational corporations, manufacturers, suppliers, and engineering organizations within the high-tech industries and the capital equipment industries. Throughout this journey, I have gained extensive experience in supply chain architecture, enterprise architecture, mechanical systems architecture, and the management of complex hardware and software engineering environments. More importantly, I had the privilege of learning how different regions of the world approach innovation, industrial strategy, and long-term competitiveness. Today, I would like to bring some of that knowledge back to the region that first inspired this journey. That desire is actually what led to the creation of Silk Route of Systems. Silk Route of Systems is not simply a web series. Each episode focuses on a single company and explores how that organization can position itself for success over the coming decades. We begin by developing a future-oriented market strategy. Then we design the supply chain architecture required to support that strategy. And then finally, we present an enterprise architecture that enables the organization to evolve towards its long-term vision. Each episode focuses on one company and demonstrates how it can fundamentally transform its capabilities and competitiveness within a relatively short period of time, say around 3 to 5 years. And this, my friends, is consultancy. This is consulting. However, unlike traditional consulting engagements, it is free from all of the corporate bureaucracy and is freely available for the world to learn from it. Each episode includes detailed market analysis, supply chain design, operating models, risk assessments, and practical risk mitigation strategies. The insights presented are drawn from the real-world experience accumulated across 14 years of working with major multinational organizations, manufacturers, and technology enterprises. Silk Route of Systems is part of a consulting initiative based in the Netherlands, specializing in supply chain architecture, enterprise architecture, and data architecture for organizations operating in complex industrial environments worldwide. If you're interested in designing the future of your company, transforming supply chains, and building long-term competitive advantage, I invite you to join me on this journey. You may book a call through the Calendly link here, or you can write to me at prachurya.b@outlook.com. Welcome to the Silk Route of Systems.